bench right here. So, oh, I screamed too loud. Whoopsie. So we are here. I just posted a video. I think it's still uploading, but still, I just uploaded a video, and we are here at the nature walk. Woo! And I ended my video like right there, and the bridge is right over there. That you saw. Hey, wait up! Oh, you hear those
birds? Look at that little bird.
Where?
Right there. So daggone tiny, you would have missed it. But I got hawk eyes.
I could say that.
That's why you stay on the right hand side of me.
Why?
Because in case he wants to get crazy, I'm gonna help him.
Alright, guys. Let's do this. Like, should I do it like this? Should I do it like this? I think like this.
I don't know. Are we recording?
Yes.
I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're doing it. Zooming away. Underneath.
We could walk 6-point-something miles.
6.3 miles.
6.3 miles.
That's all the way to Chippewa.
Oh. It will take us all the way to Chippewa.
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 Yeah, Chippewa.
So. Yeah.
But they probably don't even know where that's at.
I know. If you guys are from here, which I doubt it, you guys know where we're walking. You did?
I thought I saw one.
You thought? It's your imagination. Look at those dead flowers. How do you know? Oh, that's me. You're supposed to go to jail for doing that.
What?
What is it called? Oh, what's this?
And San Protojo.
What is this?
Okay, be careful. Don't put yourself too close to that. Remember, breathing touch point. Keep that in mind. Get as close as you want, but don't touch it.
I'll touch it. I'm sorry if the cameras keep on moving. If I'm still standing, it wouldn't be moving. Sorry. Oh, 15%? Are you serious? I have 50%. I will see you guys, I don't know, when we're halfway there. Peace. Alright, guys. So we are turning back. As you can see, we were over there.
Yeah, because he got scared because he saw a monkey.
Yeah, right.
He saw a monkey.
She's alive. Don't worry. Oh, by the way, please check out her YouTube channel. She just has one video. She just has 1 subscriber. So please subscribe to her. And I doubt if she will even make no videos. So
I will make videos.
So her YouTube name is Peas That Passes all together, and then the number is 528. Okay? So everything is the same, like everything,
which is the frequency of love.
So everything is like you don't put any spaces, anything.
Oh no, I gotta get that one.
So yeah.
That's a pretty one.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that right there. Wait. There it is.
No, I don't want to disturb it. I just blew it. Did you see how I just blew it?
Yep.
Right, it took away from the picture. Ay, ay, ay. I blew that one good.
Alright. Yeah. Come here. Oh, well, I'm dizzy.
You're dizzy? Why are you dizzy, baby?
Because I was spinning.
Oh, you trying to put your shoe on?
What? Because I was spinning.
You were spinning?
Yeah. I was like this.
Oh, you're going to fall out.
Where? What? What?
She's going to be like, what is wrong with this woman? Why can't she just...
What is she taking a picture of? Taking a picture of that right there. Look at that beautiful sun. Look at that beautiful sky. We're so lucky to be here.
coming.
What's that? That?
You'll see in a minute.
Skippy.
Right now we're very busy. We're on a nature walk.
We're going on a trip. It's our favorite rocket trip. Going through the sky.
And today is the day.
Hey, I need to pause it.
Please do.
Look at this right here. You see that? You see me? You see me?
That day. Did you put it close enough?
Yes, I did. I put it right on the screen.
You put it on the screen? I know they saw
Just
it.
like this.
Handsome guy.
Wait.
Undeniably handsome.
Just like that.
They better recognize.
They did, I hope. And if they don't, I'm going to beat them up.
There you go. We're gonna go get the plug.
If you guys could catch us.
They can't catch us. They cannot catch us.
I see a snake.
You see a snake?
Yeah.
Big one in the tree?
Yes,
He's a garden.
really. It's green. Look at you see it.
About a snake is when you see two bright colors touch one another on a snake.
It's what?
You see two bright colors touch one another on a snake.
What would that mean?
That means he's poisonous.
Oh.
And he's gonna get out for what he knows.
You guys heard that? Hang on, let me get close enough so that way you could hear. All right. What are you good? What did you say? Tell them to the audience.
I said that you don't have to worry about a snake unless you see two bright colors touch one another. That's when they become poisonous, and they're gonna do what they do.
You guys hear that? That is true. So you guys listen to her. She is really, really good. She's really genius.
Einstein.
She's Albert Einstein. This is what? What? Battery low. Are you serious? All right, guys. So I'm gonna pause this until we go to the. Never mind. So I'm just gonna end this video, guys. Super simple. Okay. So yeah. Hope you guys love this video. And if you do, please don't forget to drop that like button. Smack that like button. So let's do fifth one. Ready? To cam to cam. There we go. Alright. Peace. Hope you guys enjoy that video, this video, and the other one. So yeah. Peace. What are you gonna say to them?
Bye. Nice knowing you guys. YouTube in effect.
Bye.